If you've ever wanted to manage multiple Telegram accounts on your phone, or quickly switch from work messages to personal chats without logging out, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to switch between accounts on the Telegram app. By the end of this video, you'll be able to move from one account to another in just a few taps, and even add new accounts as needed. It's quick, it's simple, and it'll save you so much hassle if you use Telegram for different purposes. Let's dive in. First up, open your Telegram app and take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This is your gateway to all the main settings and options in Telegram, so keep in mind, whenever you need to tweak something or explore more features, this is usually the first place you'll want to start. After you tap the hamburger menu, take a look near the top of the sidebar that slides open. Right next to your name and profile picture, you might notice a small down arrow. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but this arrow is really powerful. Think of it as the door to your other accounts. Tap on that arrow once. Now you'll see a list of every Telegram account you've logged in with on this device. For example, you might see your personal account, maybe a work profile, or even an account you use for group management or public channels. Each account will show its own profile photo and phone number, so you'll be able to tell which is which at a glance. Switching accounts is as easy as it gets. Just tap on the account you want to jump into. There's no need to log out or enter a password all over again. Telegram smoothly switches you over, and in a second or two, you'll be seeing the chats, groups, and channels from that account. This is great if you're someone who handles community management, or if you keep your personal and professional life separate. Don't worry if the app freezes for a brief moment during the switch. That's just Telegram wrapping things up behind the scenes, syncing your messages, and making sure you're good to go. Let's say you don't see the account you want, or you're ready to add another account for a new project, friend group, or business. In that same drop-down menu, you'll see the option to add account. Tap on that. Telegram will walk you through adding your phone number and confirming with a security code, just like when you signed up for your first account. Take your time to fill in the details, and once it's verified, your new account will pop up in the list alongside your others. It's a little like having multiple lockers at the gym. Each keeps your stuff separate, but you hold the master key. And that's really all there is to it. Switching accounts on Telegram is effortless once you know where to look, and adding accounts is just a few taps away. This feature is a huge time saver, and it keeps your conversations neatly organized. So whether you're an admin, a freelancer bouncing between clients, or just someone who likes a bit more privacy, mastering this tip will absolutely improve your Telegram experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like. And if you have any questions, maybe something wasn't working or you want advice on managing even more accounts, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Telegram tips and other handy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.